Good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones, and I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the new TCL Plus free application because it really looks good. So let's get into it. Hello again. Before we jump right into the video, this is going to be on our Rumble channel and the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you with them one video at a time. I like the free applications that I learn about. As I finish this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, as it really helps me with the algorithm of YouTube, and that's greatly appreciated, as I have hit over 1 million views on this channel, and I'm so grateful for everyone that has tuned in and given me a thumbs up and a view. That means a lot to me as just a small creator or whatnot, and I speak about these great devices and other streaming topics. But when you talk about the TCL Plus application, the good news is it's one of those fast channel applications. FAST, again, is an acronym standing for Free Ad-Supported Television. That is an app that shows ads on their content so you can get the content for free. All right. Now, Cord Cutter News rated this application number 10 on their top 10 free apps. I've never heard of it before, but the good news, again, is that it is in the Google Play Store, and I happen to have the Google Play Store right here. As I go to the Google Play Store, what we'll do is we'll go right on up and do a little search here, and I will just spell TC. And there it is, not the channel, not the home, but this one right here. They're all the same, really. But they said TCL TV Plus. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to get some information. And it says your ultimate free multimedia entertainment software. And explore a vast selection of 250 plus TV channels, thousands of movies and TV shows with ongoing additions to our program, formats and content. The possibilities are limitless. Download now. Elevate your stream experience, your entertainment experience. So it is an ad-supported channel, and I'll show you that in a moment. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and install it, and then we're going to see at the very beginning that it has ads, and you have to be able to block these ads. So this is free entertainment, just like Pluto or Plex or Tubi, things of that nature. I'm going to click open real quick. As you can see, it says watch 1,350 channels and thousands of movies and TV shows for free. TCL TV Plus terms of use, privacy, you have to agree. And then it's going to give you right here. The service includes targeted advertisements. You can opt out through limited ad tracking and settings. So ad supported means it's absolutely free. So we're going to go ahead and enter and take a look at it. I believe the first thing it's going to do is going to land on live TV. And it's kind of confusing because all the way to the left, you'll see a home, a star, and a search. But you can't really get over there, as you go along. So let me turn this down. I don't know if it's really loud. I apologize if it was really loud. But you can't really get over there. So you just have to look right here. This is where the options are. TCL Top 15, News and Opinion, Feature newly added, Bingeable. So that's binge watchable. Shocking True Crime, Tremendous Throwbacks, Lifestyle and Reality, Movies Galore. So there's plenty of movies. and they give you the time frame of how long it's going to be playing. So there's 28 minutes left, 6 minutes left, 1 hour and 23 minutes left. You got movies galore, black entertainment, history, sports. You got hit comedy, travel and outdoors, animal and nature, family and kids, local news. So if you need your local news, this is a good place to go. Telemundo, The Old West, Screen-worthy horror, Game Show Mania, okay, Home Sweet Home, food. We're going to keep on K-Wave. Wow, there's some Christian stuff here. That's interesting. Nice. And so you got pop culture, documentaries, Latino, faith and family. So it all right here. As I go back up to the top, and I go to the top here, I can move over to your TV Plus. Now, this is where it looks like just about all free movie apps. So you'll have TCL Top 10, the newly added. So there's plenty of stuff there. You got the staff picks. So if you did find something you wanted to do or staff picks, you can go, let's see here. Let's pick one here, right here. All right. So we'll click on this here. You'll press OK. You can either add to favorites if you sign up or whatnot. And then if you wanted to watch now, you would just click on it. And if it's available, then it would show up just like that. And that'll be blotted out. But that'll show you. And then it gives you a chance to go from the beginning. You can resume or watch from the beginning. You can start over and it'll do it again. So hit the back arrow. You'll go back to where you were. So it's just like TCL Originals. You got gripping drama, Cowboys and Warriors. I want to go check out Muay Thai Giant. I am going to go watch that. I am. As soon as we hang up, I'm going to watch that. I know. Don't judge me. Okay. And it's really good entertainment, and it's absolutely free with ads. So I don't think Cord Cutter News missed it. I just think it's pretty hid. A lot of people don't know about it. This is the first time that I've seen it, but I want to show you it. Maybe you can go to the Google Play Store. I think it's in the Apple App Store, iOS. I'm not really sure. If you guys find out, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think about this, because so far so good. As I checked it out, it looks pretty clean, and I look forward to jumping into it. Now, what are some of the benefits of having these type of or applications? I think one of the biggest benefits is that it's free. Okay, it's so much content coming across the streaming these days that it's not hard to find your content, and you might have to watch a commercial now and then, but it is so much better than paying a expensive entertainment bill, whether that be cable, TV, or streaming services. I mean, the average streaming services annual bill is between $1,200 and $1,800 a year. You can buy a device like this, put those type of applications on there, and save a ton of money, and we will help you pick the right one. With that said, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Again, thank you so much for the thumbs up. Look forward to the next video, and I look forward to hearing and seeing you guys. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.